Happy Halloween. Let's get spooky. In the horror season, I decided to bring back two figures that I previously used: the 2010 Mattel DC Universe Zatanna, and I don't know the year on this Neca Ghostface, but it's got the scratched up mask, so I'm assuming that it's the post Scream 5 version. The inspiration for this scene actually goes back to the second movie. One of Ghostface's victims is Sarah Michelle Gellar, who played Buffy in Buffy the Vampire Slayer, which always makes me think of, oh, what if Ghostface mistakenly went after a superhero, and Zatanna seemed to be a really fun choice for that. You know, unassuming stage magician, and but then she actually has magical powers, and so that's where Ghostface was definitely going to be out of his element. So Zatanna kind of kicks back on Ghostface, knocks him back. This one I had to do a lot of fun stuff with the armature, or keeping the Ghostface figure upright, and then that was all of the editing. This was having to lay them out correctly. I decided to get a little less of a dramatic angle on the Ghostface, so ended up having to clear out the background here. But I also had to scale things down because the Zatanna is a 6-inch figure and the Ghostface is a 7-inch figure. So had to scale them down, get rid of the armature, get rid of the background, and all of that. Get rid of the background in general because now it's at a different angle. So it was a lot to go over in Photoshop, but I thought it ended up turning out pretty cool as it was. You know, little feather, and thankfully the background itself, other than the table that I was shooting on which then we'd have to get the texture and stuff, was mostly black. So that helped a lot. And then the final cleanup and extra detail was adding the shadow and doing a bit of a lens flare effect to get all of the actual magic effect going over the character. And here's the final product. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and follow me at Knocked Out Films on all social media.